Okay, nandito ako ngayon sa Ninjin actually. Pauwi pa lang ako ng bahay ngayon and nagbabike ako. Sana hindi ako madisgrasya mamaya habang nagbabike ako. So pauwi pa lang ako ng bahay ngayon. Nakatapos pa lang ng taxi ko ngayon. And very happy. Today is Monday and today is May 27, 2013. This is the last week of May. Napapakita ko ng konti yung itsura ng Ninjin, yung everyday scenery and everyday na nakita ko dito sa lugar. So galing ako kanina sa Ninghui Kindergarten. So this is the scenery. So ayan ang Ninjin. May mga establishments dito. It was just a very simple place. Ayan, so hold it. And what more can I say? I'm just very thankful for everything that I have right now, on how God blessed me, on how God showed me His favor, His protection, and His unconditional love. And I really cannot fathom how God loves me. It's that despite of everything, I really don't deserve everything that I have right now. But I'm so blessed sa mga naging kaibigan ko, mga nandyan, mga umalis, mga hindi ko na nakakausap. Kasi we do have different aspects of our lives. Perhaps some of them are busy na din. And sa family ko, Pilipinas, and sa relatives ko, kay Tita, nasa ibang bansa, thank you very much. I pray na mas lalo pa kayong i-bless ng Panginoon. So, ayun, I'm going to end up this short video clip. And tomorrow, I'll be having my class sa kabilang kindergarten, sa Ningfang Kindergarten. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to have another morning demo exercises. Ayun lang po. So, bye-bye!